Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tinder Messages Not Sending error. So first of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Then launch your settings and navigate to this network and internet. Now click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Give a fresh restart to your router and reset it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. After you do that, the problem might be resolved. Using an outdated version of Tinder can cause various problems. So go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for Tinder. Now make sure you are using the latest version of Tinder application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. Sometimes simply restarting the app can clear up minor glitches. So close your app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. Continue this process for several times, heading towards next solution, logging out and logging back into your Tinder account. Refresh your section and resolve messages errors. Launch your Tinder, navigate to the profile page, then hit this gear icon in the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down and click on the option of log out. Once you log out of your account, again log in back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Your account could be restricted due to violating community guidelines, which can cause your messages not to send. So check the guidelines of Tinder. Just go through it and make sure you haven't violated any guidelines. If you have violated any guidelines, you can contact to the Tinder customer support. For that, you can head back, you can come on the settings again, and you can simply tap on this help and support. Click on the topic which you are having the issues and go through it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.